Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. We've had our dinner and now I'm wanting something sweet. And y'all saw in our last grocery haul where I showed you we bought these cinnamon rolls. And I've seen a viral video where people are making bread with these cinnamon rolls. Or using crescent rolls, but then I saw the cinnamon rolls. And I thought, I have got to try that. And if I do, I want to do it with y'all. So we're going to do it this evening. Now, these are the cinnamon rolls. There's eight cinnamon rolls in here, and it's got the icing. We're going to save that icing because we're going to use it. I'm going to make 2 loaves. We're going to share. We're going to share with the neighbors. Papa and I can't eat two loaves of these. Well, let me say, we don't need to eat 2 loaves of these. But I hope this turns out as good as the videos I've seen. Now, I've got my oven preheated to 375 degrees. The package actually says 400, but every video I watched said 375. So we're going to open these up. Leave them in. Don't take them apart. Don't take them apart. Then we're going to set this little icing thing aside because we're going to use that. And we're just going to take these right out of this package. These 2 came loose, but you know what? We're going to put it right back together. If I can get them out of here, because what we're going to do is we're going to put this in this loaf pan just like that. Looky there. See, don't take them apart. Now, let's get the next one ready. Yeah. I hate the sound of these things when they pop open, don't you? Okay, and again, we're going to put them right back together. Don't worry if it comes apart. And we're going to put them side by side in the pan. Now, you see I've got my pan lined with parchment paper. That's so we can get them out easy. Don't leave that frosting in here. We're going to throw these things away. We don't want to throw our frosting away. Now, forgive me for being so noisy this evening. My mama used to take these tubes, and she'd give them a good whack on the counter. Didn't work though, did it? I've seen people just take their fist and do it. I've never been able to do that. Looky here, how pretty. Well, they were coming apart pretty. Looky here. And I messed it up at the end. Looky there. Get back up there. That's no problem. See, went right back together. Yeah, the one video I saw, he made garlic bread. Isn't that something? I think his name's that 40-year guy. Looky there. Let's get these out of here. Roll them back up if they come apart. They're not hurt. Set them up on their little behinds. Put them down. I'm putting mine same side down, yeah. I didn't say anybody said anything in particular about that, but that's what I'm doing. All right, I got that. Now, I'm going to put this in my oven. It's preheated. And I'm going to bake them 30 minutes or so. I want them good and golden and done all the way through. So y'all give me a little bit. Let me get them baked. And I'm going to let them cool for a few minutes. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to drizzle them with some icing. And we'll get Pop in here to taste test them with me, okay? This bread is out of the oven. I can't begin to tell you how good this smells. We're going to fix us up a loaf. Now, we've got a loaf we're going to give it to our neighbors, but it'll be tomorrow. It's kind of gotten late on me. And so we're going to take it tomorrow. But these little icing pouches that come with your cinnamon rolls, I told y'all, keep those because we're going to use them. This is what we're going to frost our bread with here. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I hope this is as good as it looks like on these videos I've been watching. Isn't that some pretty icing? I love the way it's laying. We could probably do with one packet, but why would we when we got two? Yeah, look here. Oh my goodness. This is looking so pretty. But we're going to use this second one. Now, we're going to start back here. Don't forget that little end right there. And we're just going to go right back over where we were. Yeah, it's still just a little bit warm. So I think we'll let the other one cool really a little bit more before we ice it, because we're going to give that one to one of our neighbor friends. Everybody's got to have frosting, y'all. So let's get some back here. Oh my goodness. Looky there. Best part though, we've got to try it. We have got to try it. So let's, where do you start? We're going to start right here on the end. Oh my goodness, y'all. Looky here. I've got to get Pop in here to see this. Oops, the frosting's coming off. Looky there. Isn't that beautiful? I'm making a mess. You know it's going to be good. Look here, let's give it a try. Yeah. How easy. How easy was that to make some cinnamon bread? Open a couple of tubes of cinnamon rolls. Quick, easy. Yes, you can make it from scratch all day long. This is quick and easy, so if you have somebody come in, throw it in the oven, you've got some cinnamon bread in no time. One more bite. Yeah, I've got to wash. That is delicious, y'all. I don't know why I'm so surprised. Looky there. Isn't that gorgeous? See the inside of that? Wow. I can't wait to share it with my neighbors tomorrow. I know they're going to like it. I hope you enjoyed this, because I certainly did. I'm glad I saw that little viral video. I told Papa, says, I want to try that. And I'm glad I did. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope you'll come back and visit with me soon, because I certainly enjoy having you in my kitchen. Y'all, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget, hit that notification button so you'll know when we put out another video. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you soon.